You're a puppet on strings, dancing to the tune of societal expectations. But what happens when you cut the strings and step into the shadows? You're forced to confront the reality of your own thoughts, and it's there that you'll find the leverage to break free from the social trap. The stage is set, and the curtains are drawn. It's time to take control of your own life. The webs of social interaction can be suffocating, draining your energy and distracting you from your true purpose. But by staying home and avoiding the constant din of social noise, you're protecting your focus and directing your attention inward. It's time to examine the strings that control you and cut them loose, embracing the silence and solitude that allows you to rebuild your mind. You're not a weakness for seeking solitude, you're a strength. The stage is yours, and the shadows are where you'll find the truth about yourself. Don't be afraid to step into the darkness and confront your own thoughts. It's there that you'll discover your true power and purpose. The puppets on the stage are just that, puppets, and it's time for you to take control of your own narrative. The social trap is a complex web of expectations and distractions, but it's not invincible. By embracing solitude and cutting the strings that control you, you're taking the first step towards freedom. The shadows can be intimidating, but they're also where you'll find the leverage to break free from the glitches in your mind and forge a new path. Don't be afraid to take the leap and step into the unknown. You're the architect of your own life, and the stage is yours to design. Don't let the puppets and strings of societal expectations control you. Take charge and create your own narrative. The silence and solitude are where you'll find the strength to rebuild your mind and forge a new path. So, step into the shadows, cut the strings, and take control of your own life. This shift reveals the deeper structure underneath. You're a machine, with circuitry that's constantly glitching from the noise of the world. But solitude is the reset button, the reboot that clears the parasite of distractions from your system. In the silence, you can hear the hum of your own biology, the rhythm that drives you forward. The machine that is your mind is only as strong as its weakest glitch. But with solitude, you can identify the faulty circuitry, the parasitic thoughts that hold you back. You can rewire, recharge, and reboot, emerging stronger, more resilient, with a biology that's better equipped to handle the stresses of the world. In the stillness of solitude, you can hear the whisper of your own voice, the echo of your deepest desires. It's here that you can confront the glitch, the parasite that's been holding you back, and excise it, emerging with a clearer sense of purpose, a stronger sense of self. The biology of solitude is simple. When you're alone, you're forced to confront yourself. You're forced to examine the circuitry of your mind, to identify the glitches, and to repair them. It's a painful process, but it's one that's necessary, for it's in this confrontation that you discover your true strength. You are the machine, and solitude is the mechanism that drives you forward. It's the spark that ignites the fire of self-discovery, the fuel that powers the engine of your mind. With solitude, you can overcome any obstacle, achieve any goal, and emerge victorious, with a mind that's stronger, more resilient, and more capable than ever before. This shift reveals the deeper structure underneath. You're drowning in deep water, suffocating under the weight of fake relationships. The void within you grows, a constant reminder of the chaos that destroys nice people. You're losing yourself, bit by bit, in the desert of superficial connections. The cost of fake relationships is like rust, slowly corroding your sense of purpose. You're expending energy on people who don't truly care, leaving you drained and vulnerable to the entropy of chaos. It's time to confront the reality of your relationships and let go of the toxic connections. You're forced to navigate the void within, to confront the darkness that fake relationships have created. It's a daunting task, but one that's necessary to rebuild your sense of self. The void can be overwhelming, but it's also an opportunity to discover your true strength and purpose. The devastating cost of fake relationships is like drowning in deep water, unable to escape the undertow of chaos. You're losing your sense of identity, your sense of purpose, and your sense of self. It's time to break free from the toxic connections and rise above the chaos. You must be willing to confront the void, to face the darkness that fake relationships have created. It's a difficult journey, but one that's necessary to discover your true strength and purpose. By embracing the void, you'll find the leverage to break free from the chaos and rise above the devastation. The pattern becomes clearer when examined closely. You're standing at the edge of the void, the silence a palpable force that threatens to consume you. But it's in this emptiness that you'll find the fire that forges true strength. Embracing solitude is not a weakness, but a pivot to inner ascension. You're breaking free from the chains of distraction, shattering the glass that held you back. You're the architect of your own destiny, and solitude is the blueprint for your ascension. It's the leverage you need to lift yourself out of the darkness and into the light. The void is not something to be feared, but something to be harnessed. It's the fire that will forge your true purpose, melting away the rust of doubt and uncertainty. The horizon stretches out before you, a seemingly endless expanse of possibility. But it's not the external landscape that holds the key to your ascension, it's the internal one. You must be willing to dive into the deep water of your own soul, to confront the shadows that lurk within. It's the only way to truly rise above the chaos. You're not avoiding life by embracing solitude, you're embracing the opportunity to forge a new path. It's the silence that will allow you to hear your own voice, to discover your true strengths and weaknesses. The void is not a destination, it's a catalyst for growth. It's the fire that will burn away the old, making way for the new. The glass is shattered, the old you is broken. But from the shards of your former self, a new you will arise. Forged in a fire of solitude, you'll emerge stronger, sharper, and more focused. You'll be the architect of your own destiny, with the leverage to shape your own future. The void is not something to be feared, it's something to be wielded.